this beautiful tablecloth. It's like that Jacquard material, really thick, and it is, I got the largest size, absolutely enormous, but look how beautiful that is. I'm really going to enjoy styling that up. Look, it's got all these beautiful flowers, and I mean, who wouldn't love that? This beautiful fringe on the edge. Look at that. So incredibly beautiful. So I'm gonna style that up a little bit later. Maybe create a tablescape with this. This is gonna be beautiful for autumn. It looks like it's like they're painted on, like a Monet painting. Absolutely beautiful. Actually, could you use it two sides? Oh, we've got this on the other side actually. So you could turn it over and use it with this colour. But this is definitely right up my street. So thank